Nice.
Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Forgey Mc Forge Face. This is the Forge. Today we're working on two 4.20 inch, so like 420, 69 layer Damascus thingy mabobbers knives. They're 32, 5, 32. I'm gonna do my grip test. We are at 0. To 11 today. In today's video, we're going to be grinding. We're going to be sanding. We're going to be etching.
Oh my.
We might be putting a handle on. I was looking at the camera and I wasn't paying attention. Stick around. Star White. Wouldn't it be nice if there were more viewers? And then there wouldn't be so many not viewers. These are the two that are gonna get grindered. Let's do that. I'm gonna put my mask on. I'm gonna blow out my mask so I know where my blower is.
Can you hear me all right through my mask? Let me know if you can hear me all right through my mask, because that'd be kind of cool if you could. All right, let's start rocking.
Next up, we have to sand these. So I'm gonna take and, well, I guess you kind of want to see them probably, hey? So I did the jimping, the mic receiver died, so I had to, yeah, jimping's done. Now it's time for sanding. Time to hand sand with a palm sander. Okay, it's now time, clamps. So what I do is I take some 120 grit, a little bit of WD-40, and then I just use my palm sander and sand it. That'll get rid of pretty much. What do you call a cow with no legs? A dead cow. Okay, I'm gonna do this all again. And now, I take my trusty piece of hexagonal steel that I found one day, and I take 220 or 120, a used one that I used, and then I do that. Now there's a certain way, like if I go that way it will want to fall off, or if I go, oh no, I always forget which way it is. 220s to 120 with 120s to 120s to 220, which is like an eraser. I don't know why you put a 20 in your grit and that stuff works. I don't have much left. Oh, I need some 400. Oh, my 400 go? Bet you there's some in the bathroom. This is probably enough for what I need. What is an unreal pattern this is gonna be? 69 layer. That's my thing. I'm getting as close to a 420 69 as I can. That's what I'll call this model, the 420 69. What we gotta do now is put vinegar in that kettle and boil it. These are clean. We're gonna get that boiling, and then we're gonna stick it in the thermos with the hot oil, with the hot vinegar, and then that will etch this. We'll stick it in for an hour and 20 minutes. I think that's what I'm deciding on. 130 is a bit dark, kind of like it. I'm gonna get a screw, and then I'll take and hang. Hopefully they don't magnetize to each other. And if they're in there, I can turn them a little bit more, but they shouldn't magnetize to each other, I hope. Okay, that's gonna start boiling here in a second. Oh yeah, oh, here comes the monster. That's how you know it's hot enough. I'm gonna stick these in here, make sure they aren't touching. Here he comes. It's easy to throw footballs.
Sometimes it happens. It won't,
I need you to say, now we're etching the knot.
Now we are etching the knot. Please subscribe to my dad's YouTube. Subscribe. This will be in here for an hour and 20 minutes.
Good job, buddy.
I love you, bye.
He's pretty cute. Been in there for like an hour and 15 minutes. We're gonna go clean them off in the sink. This is the sink. My wife absolutely hates when I do this in here. It's the sink.
Oh my.
That's pretty nice. Let's do the other side. Zoom her in for us here. Wow. That's quite the pattern. Ready for this? Would you look at those things? Wow. Now we gotta clean off the bench. Grip tester time again? Yeah, let's try this. So, 214. Who's excited for the sword build? Hey, who's excited for the sword build? No way. 27 layer. Oh, last second. I remember that was attached. I saw the cord and was like, something's plugged in. Oh, right. I'm just tidying so I have a nicer video for you all, y'all. Oakley dokley. I'm going to use some Hadouk and I might go fancy and do a little black and Hadouk for this one. Yeah, that's what I'll do. That's all I'm here for. It's a good time. Not a long time, so have a good time. You always gotta blow off the inside because it'll get you. Now I need to make these flat. So being a carpenter, I definitely have to say that the woodworking aspect of knife making is easily the worst part. Next up, we gotta glue them. I'm almost out of glue, actually. I just noticed. Cool. That store's not open at 6:30 p.m. What we're gonna do, glue these together. How about that? All right, so I'm gonna put my mask on actually, and
You can never have enough clamps. An old male proverb.
I will do that actually. I'm pretty efficient. Gotta sand them down a bit more. We're gonna cut the pins. I use hollow copper rods and I tape them together so I can cut 3 at a time because that's easier than I'm running out anymore. Now I have 6 pins. Hope this is entertaining for everybody. I was looking at the camera and I wasn't paying attention. Then, you take your pencil, you draw your line all the way around your knifey. You take your knifey off, then you take your knifey off. Oh no. Then you take your knifey off. Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to, that's where that is. So that's where that wants to be. That's where that is. That's where that is. So that. We recording? Yep. Glue, we're back at the table. My mask off. Okay, we're gonna glue these now. Which means I need some wax and some paper towel. I didn't realize how thirsty I was. Oh my god, it's so good. That is the nectar of the gods. Alrighty then, so we're gonna glue these to that, so I gotta get the paper towel. Paper towel, that's the name. The name again is paper towel. I'm gonna fold it, then I'm gonna wrap it, then I'm gonna tape it, and this will be the last time we see this until the final reveal. Let's get a good look now. Now we're gonna glue these. Now we glue them. I take and glue one side, make sure you get it in the holes. But Forgey, what if you get glue inside your hollow copper pins? That's fine, just pops out. And then you take the one you just glued, you rub them together. The glue gets on both sides of each one. And you take that, push it through. It does that thing like that. Oh, this is gonna suck. Okay, that works. You're gonna get that one, push it through that one. And come over here real fast. And you use the power of screws to one by one push the pins in. Boss. And then you're gonna realize you didn't do enough. That's probably enough. And then you're gonna activate your glue. You're gonna shut your breaker back off. Luckily it's a power bar. You do the same thing to this one, but hopefully it works better for you. Cover this one in glue, cover this one in glue, cover this one in glue. You're gonna cover this one in glue. Oh, you covered the wrong side. Oh no. I'm gonna do that one first. Notice how I'm not using gloves, as is tradition. Okay, I'm gonna do the hopefully I have a hole trick. Yeah. Nice. Thanks, Trudeau. Okay, put it all together. Squeeze that real tight. Hercules. Give her a spraying. She's a praying for a spraying. Hope all 6 of you thought that was really funny. Oh, no, sorry, 9. 9. Okay, those are glued together. Now I'm gonna put my mask on, sand them a bit more, and then I'm gonna do some grinding. Down to 220. This one's got to get to be. Oh, I did that 120. That makes it better. I was like, wow, that's not very nice. It's because I 120'd it. Definitely didn't want to do that. That's okay. That's rather feel bad, but so really. Knock them on all those sharp edges. I get to open a fresh new package of 220. What's your favorite gritted sandpaper? My favorite grit is easily 220. You can do everything with it. Even if 220, you can sand something down to nothing. If you have a little bit of 220, you now have 400. You keep sanding with that 220, now you have 600. It's like the super paper. These are almost ready for a reveal, guys. All right, now I'm gonna get the drum sander on a drill. Walk over to my drill and grab it. The battery, click clack, test clicks, make sure it still works. I don't know how long I didn't have the microphone working, but here's the first look of this one. Wow, that's pretty darn nice, actually. First look of this one. I don't want that there anyway. Oh, wow. Let's find some better light to look at these. Oh, look at that pattern. Buy me dinner first.